Hi, it's Mark at ODU. Just wanted to show you today what's included in our exclusive development kits and also a little bit more about the product. Let's take a look. The ODU MediSnap connector, with its proven push-pull locking mechanism, makes connections easy in less than a second. It's self-securing, which means that any accidental release by pulling on the cable will be prevented. When mating the connector, the locking jaws against the receptacle make a secure connection, producing an audible click. Once the plug is mated, unintentional demating is not possible. The plug can only be released by pulling back on the outer sleeve. Some of the features of the MediSnap connector include 7 colour codings, 6 mechanical codings, between 2 and 14 electrical contacts with 3 termination types, allowing up to 5,000 mated cycles on the receptacle. For applications requiring IEC 60601-1 with the medical standards, we have 4 receptacle options complying to 2 MOP and 2 MOOP. The first is the G9, which is an IP50 connector. The second is the GE connector, which is an IP64/67 with the breakaway option, and is available in grey and black. We also have the G4 receptacle, which allows you to have a colour-coded front nut, but will also achieve IP64/67. And finally, we have the GA receptacle, available in grey or black. This is a front-mounted receptacle and will achieve IP64/67 and IP68 to the chassis. The MediSnap size 1 breakaway connector. The efficient breakaway locking allows an easy mating and demating of the connections within fractions of a second, just like the push-pull locking connector. Furthermore, it also features an emergency release which enables demating of the connection when needed by pulling on the cable. The breakaway connector can achieve IP67 in a mated condition via the overmold. It's available on pre-terminated cables of 0.25 meters up to 2 meters. New to the MediSnap range is the right-angled back shell. IP67 can also be achieved with this style of back shell following the build instructions. So we also have the MediSnap in a size 2 configuration, between 3 and 26 contacts, 8 colour codings and 3 mechanical codings, still retaining the audible click. Medical applications requiring IEC 60601-1 for 2 MOP and 2 MOOP requirements, we have the G4 receptacle, which is an IP64 rated connector. As you can see, these are high voltage inserts on this connector layout with 5-way contacts. 1 contact is first mate and 2 contacts are lagging. All contacts will carry 12 amps. And finally, we have the ODU MiniMed. This assembled plastic connection will always come in handy when a light, space-saving and watertight cable assembly is required. The ODU MiniMed can be easily mated and has a breakaway function to ensure quick disconnections. This assembly is available between 2 and 6 contacts. 1,000 mating cycles IP67 protection when in mated condition, ability for ETO sterilisation, and is available in cable lengths of 0.5 metres up to 5 metres. Other information on the sample kit is in the lid, which describes the IEC 60601 protection, and to conform to the latest medical standards we can also offer laser labelling on the connector and also onto the cable. So I hope you found that interesting. If you'd like more information on the ODU connector range, then please get in touch with me. Drop me an email, it's mark.pass@odu-uk.co.uk, and I'll leave my details at the end. Thank you.